Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the set of gaming headphones J50 from the company Jeecoo. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So I bought these for a couple different reasons. For one, I do not like Bluetooth headphones. I like old school headphones that you can simply plug into your computer and have a microphone. And the other thing is I like an adjustable microphone. So let's take a look at these. And I'll show you everything we get. There shouldn't be too much to show you. Should be pretty straightforward. So get an instruction manual. Pretty basic. And then they give you this adapter cable that you can use basically to plug the 1.5 millimeter cord into this. And then you have these two ends that you can use. You don't have to use that. It just depends on what you're looking to plug it in for. You'll have a standard input on the headphones. So let me get these unwrapped. We'll take a look at them. They're nice and light, and the cushions around the ears feel nice and soft. They are marked left and right. They are adjustable, but it's going to be through this metal bracket that goes into the headphones. Same on both sides. This is not a knob on the side. Looks like it's just decoration. You have the microphone, which is basically just a cable. It stays nice, but it's very easy to move. Get it out of your way. The cord is a cloth cord, which is nice. You can bend it, do whatever you want. It's a little bit more flexible than a rubber cord. And then you've got your volume control switch. Got a volume knob on the side here. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see that. Hopefully you will. And then you've got a mute button for your microphone to mute it or turn it on. Jeecoo. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.